Welcome to the home of fine moving, and this is how to pack a daybed for international moving.
Nellians. How to.
Before beginning, ensure that you have plenty of space in the operating area because this process will require a lot of movement. Once ready, place the daybed on corrugated paper large enough to fit the daybed lying horizontally. Wrap it up and seal the edges. Cut slits in the corrugated paper to allow it to fold easily. Tape up what you can and then move to the most delicate part, its legs. The legs of the daybed need particular attention. With the daybed lying on its side, carefully wrap the upper legs using pieces of corrugated paper. Ensure that each leg is wrapped completely. Fill any gaps between the legs and the body with pieces of corrugated paper. The goal here is to ensure that every square inch of the daybed is covered. Next, you'll need to wrap the top surface. Fold the corrugated paper and tape up what you can. It doesn't need to be perfect at this stage, but it should be enough to turn the daybed without undoing the folds. Wrap the remaining legs and tape them up securely. Finally, tape up any remaining gaps in the corrugated paper. As always, finish by labeling the package on its upper surface. Indicate the room it came from for quick matching at the destination house.
Move with Nellians. Remember to like, share, subscribe.